In this video, I'll show you how you can fix League of Legends is crashing. First step is, if you can get access to the right games here, you want to come here and go to League of Legends and try and repair your game. If this doesn't work, search for Task Manager, come in here and go to Details, click anywhere and press L, look for League of Legends, and if it's open you want to end the task, then press R and close down Riot Client Services, press V and close down Vanguard. Once all of this is closed down, you want to find your folder for Riot Games. So search for Riot Client, right click and open file location. Right click again and open file location, and you should get to the Riot Client. In here you want to right click on it, Properties, Compatibility, activate these two. Come back to Riot Games, League of Legends, League Client, do the exact same on this one. Head over to Game, do the exact same on this one. And then you want to do it on your desktop icons as well for Riot Games as well as League of Legends. Once you've done it on all of these, try and open the game and see if it works. If it still doesn't work, come here and search for Apps and Features. Uninstall Riot Vanguard, and then you want to reopen your Riot Client, and League should have an update. Now that update is just to reinstall Riot Vanguard and see if that works. If for some reason this is still not working, the last solution is just uninstall Riot Vanguard again and uninstall League of Legends again, and then you just want to reinstall it from new. So just reinstall the League of Legends and it's gonna reinstall Vanguard with it. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.